The term cell was first used during the 1600s. Robert Hooke was looking at a piece of cork under a microscope, and he noticed that it was made of tiny compartments. He thought they looked like little rooms or cells. The name stuck. Single-celled organisms such as this amoeba function with just one cell. Multi-celled organisms such as plants and animals have millions, even billions of cells. The cells in our bodies are constantly dying, only to be replaced by new cells. Cell parts in plants and animals vary because they must perform different functions. This is a diagram of an animal cell. The boundary of the cell is the cell membrane. Like the walls of a house, the cell membrane gives the cell its shape. Both plant and animal cells have cell membranes. The cell membrane is like the gatekeeper for the cell. It controls what materials come into the cell, such as water and nutrients, and what materials go out, such as waste products. The jelly-like substance that fills the inside of a cell is cytoplasm. All of the cell's organelles, the parts that perform the main work of the cell, are located within the cytoplasm. The cell's control center is the nucleus. This is the brain of the cell. Not only does the nucleus contain all the instructions for the activities and operation of the cell, it also controls cell reproduction. Mitochondria are sometimes called the powerhouses of cells. These organelles convert the cell's food into energy. Plant cells are different from animal cells because they have a unique feature called a cell wall. The stiff cell wall enables plants to stand upright. It's made of a material called cellulose. Another feature unique to plant cells are chloroplasts. These organelles contain chlorophyll, the green substance that enables plants to complete photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis means putting together with light. Photosynthesis allows plants to make their own food. Animals, however, have to find their food before they can eat it. The chlorophyll in plants uses the energy from sunlight to combine carbon dioxide and water to make glucose, a type of sugar. This becomes the plant's food. Oxygen is given off during photosynthesis. One day, this house will provide shelter for a family. Each part of the house must be maintained to ensure proper functioning of the entire house. The cells in our bodies, in other animals, and in plants must also function properly to ensure good health. We may not always think about what's happening on the cellular level, but these functions are vital to life. As the basic building block to all life, whether single-celled or multi-celled, cells control and maintain all life functions. Now that you've seen plant cells, talk about this. What are the differences between plant and animal cells? Why do plant cells have a wall?